Alyssa. Today was a super good day. So ever since I would say March, no, probably April, my Apple Pencil broke. So I was using it so much, I loved it so much, but then it broke and I wasn't able to use it anymore at all because I don't know. I guess I dropped it too many times or something. I don't even know how it broke. Maybe it just got old, I don't know. But, so yeah, I had to get a new one, but we never ended up getting a new one for a really long time. And finally, today, we did. So I'm really excited, and I'm gonna show you it. And I haven't drawn anything for a while, so that's why I was super excited. I was finally able to draw again, and I'm gonna start drawing a lot more. After this, I'm probably gonna draw a fox or something. That would be cute. I might even try to draw one of those neon lamp thingies. I think that would look pretty cool. In fact, I'm gonna try that right now. Okay, so let's see. I would have guessed I would start with black. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna work on drawing this watermelon I had in my mind for a couple minutes, so that'll be fun. I think it'll not take too long and it'll turn out pretty cute. I'll show you guys when it's done. Yay, I finished! I know it doesn't look the best, and that's because I was kind of rushing, but I still like it. I'm kind of hungry for lunch now, so I'm gonna go eat some pasta. We have these super cute Disney bowls. They look just plain, but on the inside they're super fancy. Oh my gosh, the spoons are overflowing. That's crazy. My family has a problem. Not me, but them. Homemade Alfredo sauce, yum. Leftovers for the win. Oh my gosh, I just remembered, I almost forgot to show you guys these super cute shoes that my mom brought me on her way home from the store. They're so tropical and so adorable. I love them so much. And now I have to definitely try them on. Let's see here. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. Yay, they fit. Oh my gosh. Make sure you comment and tell me if you like tropical stuff too. Wait, I just noticed that. What is that on my bed? Someone must have just brought that in. What is? Oh, it's mini brands. I didn't even notice this here before. Well, I definitely didn't expect to find this on my bed today. Well, that makes me happy. Let's go open it. Okay, I'm so excited. I can't wait to open this. And it's a new series. Ooh, sounds fun.
Oh, I'm already jealous. I want to help.
I know.
I like doing these ones because
fun.
it's like the orange peel.
The orange slice.
Yes.
Ooh, shopping cart. Oh my gosh, we literally have this in our pantry right now.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy. Wow, 15 calories? I think we actually have this in our pantry too. Aw, baby wipes. That's so cute. Oh, ooh, gravy. Ooh, wow, what is this? Oh my gosh, dog food?
Aww. Are we gonna get any rare ones?
Hopefully. It's so satisfying, I can't get over it. Ooh, Jell-O. Well, hello. Do you see what I'm opening?
Yeah.
They're like mini foods. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna help me open some?
Mm-hmm.
Look, so you go like this. You peel this open. See that? You wanna try? Here, let me find an easier one. Wanna try this one?
Yeah.
Pull the tab. Ooh, look! You got stuffing!
I like this.
Okay, put it up in there.
He said, I like stuffing, and he's never tried.
No, he's never even had stuffing.
It's so cute.
Yeah, eat this.
Ooh, what's this? I don't know what that is.
And then it's going to be it's sanitized.
It is! You open that one? Ooh, what did you get?
this.
You got seasoning.
Yes, this.
Ooh, what's in here?
This.
It is. Oh my gosh, more cheese. How cute.
Oh, that's adorable.
Dipping chocolate in a cup? I didn't even know that was a thing. So cool. Hey Owen, which one should we pick?
This one.
Ooh, good choice.
That one. Look, I got cheese.
Cheese. What'd you get?
These are
Almonds. You want to check if they're the real one?
Yeah.
I don't think so, but that's cool. We still got almonds. Oh my gosh, Ami. What is it?
It's
It's a Lunchable.
yeah.
You got cheese.
I got cheese. And
So many different kinds of cheese. Ooh, another scanner thingy.
what is
Look at the stickers on it. Cute. Our last one. You excited?
yeah. I got almonds.
Oh my gosh, does this one have a tab? You did get almonds.
Okay.
Another shopping cart.
Okay, let me have it.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
What did I get? I got some
You got Thousand Island sauce? Yum.
that's one.
It is diapers. Or pull-ups, I don't know. Oh, that might have been our last one. Oh. Which one is your favorite? Those are Owen's favorites.
And my other favorite
These
dog.
are my favorites.
And my other favorite dog.
Oh, you like the almond milk? I like this one. I've never heard of it before, but it sounds cool. Dipping chocolate. Those are Owen and I's favorites all together.
And that's one.
Oh. I'm setting it up all cute and I think it looks perfect. I hope you like watching my vlog with Owen today. Bye.
No,
He's like, I want to play with these now. Bye for real.